Hey there, welcome to our quick and easy tutorial on how to make hidden file visible from cPanel File Manager in just a few minutes. Let's start by logging into cPanel. Just enter your username and password, and you're good to go. In order to view hidden files in cPanel's File Manager, you need to enable the option. This option will display all hidden files within subdirectories. Navigate to Files and click on File Manager. Click on the Settings button located in the top right corner. In the Preferences window, select the option to display hidden files. Now, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You'll now be able to view the hidden files under this directory. And again, if you do not want to see the hidden file, you can just go to the same process and just untick the hidden file option. And now you can see that we cannot see the hidden file. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for even more awesome tutorials.